In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use summary reports in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to streamline your reporting process, this guide will equip you with the essential steps to successfully navigate and utilize this powerful accounting tool. Let's start at the very beginning. First, you'll need to click on the Sign In button on the QuickBooks website to access your account. As you do this, you'll be directed to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options, ensuring you're in the right place to manage your business finances. Next, enter your carefully chosen credentials. Now make sure these are correct to avoid any hiccups at this stage, and then hit Continue to gain access to your QuickBooks Online homepage. Once inside, your primary focus should be the Reports tab. This is the hub where all your report-related activities will take place. Head on over to the Reports tab by clicking the link or icon, depending on how your dashboard is laid out. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. This is where you can type in the name of the report you want to view. This functionality is particularly useful if you're searching for something specific, and it allows for quick access. But wait, if you're not exactly sure which report you need, QuickBooks provides an alternative approach. You can simply browse through the various reports available. This can help you discover new ways to analyze your financial data that you hadn't considered before. Once you've located your desired summary report, click on it to open and view. This step allows you to see an overview of your selected report, which should give you a holistic view of your financial position. Further on, for certain reports, you may have the option to adjust the date range. This feature is particularly handy when you're looking to analyze specific timeframes, which can help in generating insightful trends and patterns over periods. Lastly, once you've got your report set up with the right parameters, you're ready to see the results. Simply click on Run Report. This action will generate a detailed summary report based on your selections, providing you with all the critical financial insights you need in an organized format. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use summary reports in QuickBooks Online. This powerful feature will enable you to better understand your financials, helping you make informed business decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in managing your finances more effectively. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out.